Hey everybody, how's it going? We've all been through quite a lot together, and many of you have seen this sitting on the shelf behind me during my YouTube videos. This is my actual very first award. Congratulations, Jason, for reaching 10,000 subscribers. The whole of this Fruit Loop is actually triangle and looks like the YouTube logo. And I must say it's pretty remarkable that the Fruit Loop has survived this long. I hope everybody's nice and hungry. Okay, it's actually not quite as bad as what I thought it was going to be. And honestly, I think the white stuff might actually be sugar and not mold. So when I reached 10,000 subscribers, my kids asked me, they're like, "Dad, when are you going to get an award? When are you going to get an award?" And they were kind of surprised to hear that you don't actually get an award when you reach 10,000 subscribers. So one day I came in and they handed me this and it was taped shut. It was just the most adorable thing. They actually made me a 10,000 subscriber award since YouTube was not going to give me one. So throughout, probably 100 or more videos, you guys have seen this little 10,000 subscriber award sitting at various different places throughout the shop. But today I am very pleased to announce I have an actual award from YouTube. This is an award that I actually did not think that I was going to get. When I crossed 100,000 subscribers, I was going through a little bit of a rough time in my life, and I hadn't posted a video in, I don't know, several months or 5 months or something like that. So when the 100,000 subscriber mile marker came and then left, I never got a notification on my dashboard that says I was going to get this award. So I just, I thought, I probably just blew it. So after some time went on and I seen other YouTubers that do almost the exact same thing that I do, unboxing their awards, I started to think, now, wait a minute, maybe it was just some kind of a mistake. So I decided to email YouTube, and to make a long story short, after going back and forth for a little while, I'm holding it. I mean, here it is right here, right in front of me. From the time that they said that it was on the way till the time it actually arrived here, it wound up being 4 months. So for 4 months, when I would check on the status of this, it would just say processing, and it never went any farther. And it said that you'll receive the award in 2 to 3 weeks. So I just, I really just started to feel like I was not going to get this, but here I am, guys. I am really, really excited to have this. I'm not going to make this too mushy or drag this out any farther. Let's get it open. First, I got to make sure nobody can read my home address, although I have given it out quite a few times on accident. I absolutely, positively cannot wait to see what this looks like in person. Everybody, I have really, really been looking forward to this, and I can't thank you all enough for sticking along and subscribing and helping me get this. I've actually already got a place picked out where it is going to go. Let's see, we got one more little under here. Ooh, I'm getting excited. All right, here we go. Oh man, I need this microscope out of the way. All right, here we go. I thought, how funny would it be if I open this and it's actually just like a box of chocolates or something? Oh, we got a letter. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000th? Actually, yes, I do. Chances are you do. Yeah, they're right. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of a growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to ask you, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan. Here it is. It's wrapped in plastic, just like I hoped it would be. I can't get this out of here fast enough. It's a little bit thinner than I thought it would be. Oh, come on, baby, come out of here. Oh, how exciting. This is freaking rad. Oh, and look, you can see my reflection just perfectly in it. Isn't it marvelous? Presented to STS Telecom for passing 100,000 big ones. I just, guys, I really don't even have words as to what to say about this. I really thank all of my subscribers more than anything. But I also need to thank YouTube for making this possible and for sending me this awesome award. Thanks, YouTube. I'm just immensely and completely, utterly, totally grateful to be receiving this. I thank each and every one of you for sticking around and subscribing to my channel and helping this happen. So I'm not going to drag this out too long. I'm actually planning on putting this somewhere over here. I recently got a different computer, so you'll notice my desktop PC motherboard case is not, the motherboard box isn't up here anymore. So for now, I'm just going to be putting that right over there. That is right up here next to the Christmas present that I got from Union Repair, which I'm really thankful for that. One of my customers sent me a Kit Kat here some years ago. So if anybody's hungry, there's that. And then also Ben with Rescue, he sent me some, some gummies or something. One of the things that I keep on my wall behind me is something that I actually really regret not sharing in a timely fashion. This is a picture that this guy sent here. His name is Neil R. Brown, and he calls it Paradise. This sat in a shipping container waiting on me to get to it and waiting on me to get to it. And when I finally got to this and opened it up, it was just like, I felt terrible. This is fabulous. It wound up, it needed hung on the wall, and he's got a website address on the back here, neilrbrown.com. And by the time I got this out and got to looking at it, that website doesn't exist anymore, and I'm not sure if he even does this. So I don't even know if he still watches my channel. However, I keep it on the wall there. I like it. So I'm not going to drag this out too long. I know there's only, just a certain number of people who would even be interested in STS getting this award, but there will be some. So I'm really just, thank you all so much. This means a lot to me. I'm one of those people that keeps boxes. This is one of those boxes that I just probably won't be able to get rid of. This is, who can throw this away? I'm going to have to keep this. I'm not about to take down one of my dad cards or my old YouTube award. This is staying right here. All right, everybody, that is going to be the end of this video. I really thank you all for watching, and I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you subscribing to my channel and making this possible for me. So that's it for now. I'll see you soon. Have a good day. I got 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like a year and 4 months ago.
I thought you had more than this.
That's what I said, a year and 4 months ago. Now it's 128,000.
Do you remember which exact date you hit this?
Right around February, I think, of 21.
And how does that make you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Makes me feel like a little school kid.
Oh, yeah. How about that?
You can touch my award for a quarter.
I'm gonna just touch it anyways.
There's what the plaque looks like.
Oh, my eyes!
Is it heavier or lighter than you thought it would be?
Lighter.
Yeah, I thought it was a little lighter too. Woo! See if you can light something on fire with it. Not, ow, not me.
How's it you get?
There it is. What do you think of that?
Nice. It's pretty cool.
Right in. Check it out. Woo! Oh, you're not excited?
I'm tired.
Yeah, eating with my play button.